For those who appreciate minimalist simplicity matched with impressive features and smart energy-saving technology, Toshiba T-Series refrigerator will make an elegant complement to any modern kitchen. The T-Series refrigerator features a special fast cooling zone for drinks. Dual cool air outlets reduce almost half the time needed to chill drinks compared to door pockets. The fast cooling zone is also ideal for storing meat and fish. Powered by advanced inverter technology, a more consistent temperature can be achieved at all times based on different usage patterns and capacity load. This means better performance and greater energy savings in the long run. Flexibility is yet another feature users get to enjoy with the versatile door pockets. They can be adjusted to suit individual needs and preferences. Non-food items can now be safely stored away in the multi-purpose utility box. Toshiba T-Series refrigerators come with a high-performance LED hybrid deodorizer that effectively filters and disintegrates odor molecules, bacteria, and decomposes ethylene gas that accelerates ripening of fruits and vegetables. Toshiba multi-door and T-Series refrigerators, elegant style with advanced performance, inspired for today's modern living. Toshiba, leading innovation.